Hi, I'm going to explain the first experiment in compiler lab. In this experiment, we'll see the token separation. What does the token generally means? It means a token is a sequence of characters which gives some meaning. All the programming languages are constructed with some tokens, symbols, and all the things. So, what generally a compiler goes through many phases. The first phase is lexical analysis phase. After that, here we'll parse the input string. In lexical analysis phase, we'll separate the tokens. That is what we are going to do here. We'll separate the tokens, we'll count the number of tokens, and we'll display according to that we'll display what are the tokens are. So we'll move on to the question now. What they are asking is, they are asking us to count the number of tokens. So this is my source code. We will have I'm going to use Java for explaining my code. This is my scanner class. Through the scanner class, I'm creating an object. Through that, and then I'm going to create 4 string arrays. In that 4 arrays, I have the contents for identifiers, operators, punctuations, and variables. These are the 4 arrays. The content for the identifiers are int, float, char, and double. For operators, plus, minus, asterisk, division, and equal to. For punctuation, semicolon, comma, and then the upper quotes and double quotes, all these things. And for variables, I have a, b, c, d, and so on. What I'm going to ask is, I'm asking the user to enter the input. So they can give any program. The source program is the input for this program. We'll get the input using string input equal to s.next line. We'll store the input in an array. We are going to split the input using the delimiter space. So and then what we are going to do, we are going to display all the contents of the temple on the array which we stored the splitted contents. Now we are going to count the number of array elements in the temporary array. So for that we are using temp.length function, and this .length function returns the number of elements in this array. So we can get the number of tokens here. For displaying each token, here we have for identifiers, operators, punctuations, and so on. I'm going to use 2 for loops. In first for loop, I'll take the size of identifiers, and second for loop I'll compare with the size of temp.length, and then using equals function I'll compare the contents of both arrays. If it matches, I'll display it as identifiers. So likewise I'm doing for operators. For operators also the same content, I'm using dot equals functions. For punctuations also I'm using the same step. I'm repeating all the these steps for all the tokens which I have initially declared. So this is my program. Here in this part we'll get the number of tokens. The down part will get the tokens separately. So we'll see the program. We'll run the output. Enter the input. So I'm going to give int a, comma b, comma c equal to 0. Let's consider we are initializing all these things. So we'll manually count first how many tokens are there. Int 1, a, 2, comma 3, b 4, and then another comma 5. This is 6, this is 7, this is 8. So totally we have 8 tokens here. These are the tokens. So this is the output. That's all with token separation. Thank you for listening, watching.